Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com. Have you ever had a goal and then you were like this on top of the world and you didn't have something next to push you? And so you've lost your momentum and you're just feeling stuck again. I have done this and I've learned from my mistakes. So it's really important in business, in life, in health and fitness, in everything, that you always have a what's next and you always have a new goal that you're working towards so that you keep your momentum up. And so you got to have in your focus, how am I going to grow? You have to be intentional about growing, seeking out either a mentor, a group coach, something where you're going to be put in that growth environment. And then you have to have a new goal that you're going to work towards. So let's say you hit your goal. So you have like your launch goal. You wanted to hit $10,000 in your launch. Hit it and you're like, hey, on top of the world, but you don't know what your next step is. You don't know what you're working towards next. That's where people go, hey, and then they go and they fall. So you always have to have, okay, great, celebrate, be super excited, but then what am I working towards next? What's the next big goal that I'm going to pursue? How am I going to serve more people? And so celebrate, get excited, but you always need to make sure you have a what's next to keep up your momentum. I hope you found that helpful. Make sure to head to the blog, she'smakingimpact.com. Register for my free Pinterest class. I'll teach you how to get more leads and sales with Pinterest, and I'll see you later.